come on, darling. This place that I really like. How you feel? Now in my same moment, never things round it will change. I said to
two great friends of the show, Carol and Steve Archie.
Yeah, right.
That's what we're going to now.
Last one, mate. Special request. A really good friend of mine. Ian Mellor, mate.
Massive Salford fan.
Great lad.
Massive Salford fan. No, Jack played in the final.
Yeah, was there? Yeah, lost it.
Yeah.
I went. Yeah. They lost it in the first half, Nave, didn't they? They couldn't hold it for a set of six, but. You know, they got there, they regrouped, they had no team at the start of the season, did they?
No, so to get to the final, done amazing.
And even, they were the only team to take points off all St James.
Was it?
Yeah, at St James as well.
I tried to get that straight right now.
It sounded like the Golden Girls, yeah.
You think I'd have loads of notes, wouldn't you?
It's not. Yeah. So, Jack texted me and said, could he play a bit of the Pet Shop Boys for his dad?
Well, I'll tell you what, we're going to do better than that, mate. I'm going to play a bit of the extended version of Suburbia, because I think this song really did some up the 80s. Yeah. At the time, I was into football violence.
Right. Oh, we've got a show coming up after this, haven't we?
Yes, I'll explain to you.
Yeah. Yes. So we're doing I'm going to do a new show. We're going to do a Tracks of Our Years, and I've asked Simon, he's going to be the first one right after this.
Yeah,
so it's going to be the Tracks of Your Life and that, and then I've asked Dennis to do one and Cowie to do one. So we're going to try and do all the presenters, try and get to the Golden Girls and get them to do one.
They're after you, though.
I know they're after me, yeah, because I ate all the cake. Yeah, it looks like I ate all the cake as well.
Not for that
and
reason.
That check.
Not for that reason.
Why, what for the one now?
I mean, they're after you.
Oh, right. Right, yeah. So Mez has booked, he's on the Lynette trip, mate. I'm waiting to get paid before I can go.
Yeah, I am myself. I've semi-booked.
Yeah.
I've through Dennis to have the money. So.
Yeah, so we're all done.
But then we just looked at the price and I might be getting my money back and going this way.
Told you. 575, 3 nights.
Bad,
transfers, flights, bed and breakfast in Lynette for
less than 200 bed and breakfast.
Yeah. We went all inclusive last time. I'm not going to do.
Yeah, we
were never in there. Was we?
We annihilated it.
Yeah. So anyway. So get your requests in for next week's show. Another 80's show will throw in the middle of next week when I'm off work. So have a good weekend, and we'll finish off with a bit of the Pet Shop Boys for Ian Mellor and Suburbia.
too old for toys. Stood by the bus stop with a felt pen in this suburban hell. And in the distance, a police car to break the suburban spell. Let's take a ride.